Question number 1.
Chloe plans her driver's test next week in Denver. A. Taking. B. To take. C. Take.
Question number 2.
Lucas avoided late to the meeting. A. Being. B. To be. C. Been.
Question number 3.
Mateo wants a medical program in Miami. A. Joining. B. Join. C. To join.
Question number 4.
Olivia admitted her friend's birthday. A. Forgetting. B. Forget. C. To forgot.
Question number 5.
Chloe ended up the job she didn't expect. A. Getting. B. Get. C. To got.
Question number 6.
Chloe ended up the job she didn't expect. A. Getting. B. Get. C. To got.
Question number 7.
Lucas was brought by his grandparents in Portland. A. Off. B. Up. C. Out.
Question number 8.
Mateo looked the dictionary for the meaning of the word. A. At. B. Into. C. Up.
Question number 9.
Chloe turned the invitation to the party. A. Off. B. Down. C. Out.
Question number 10.
Daniel came a great idea during class. A. Up with. B. Across. C. Over.
Question number 11.
Olivia checked of the hotel early in the morning. A. Out. B. In. C. Off.
Question number 12.
The students arrived at the airport just in time. A. At. B. On. C. In.
Question number 13.
Chloe was born June 2, 2007. A. On. B. In. C. At.
Question number 14.
Lucas parked his car the corner of the street. A. In. B. At. C. On.
Question number 15.
Neither Chloe nor her brother going to the concert. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 16.
The list of rules on the teacher's desk. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 17.
Every student a chance to present. A. Have. B. Has. C. Having.
Question number 18.
Lucas and Mateo best friends since childhood. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was.
Question number 19.
Chloe, along with her cousins, hiking this weekend. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 20.
The team practicing hard all season. A. Has been. B. Have been. C. Having.
Question number 21.
Mateo studies harder his classmates. A. Than. B. Then. C. As.
Question number 22.
Chloe is the student in her class. A. More intelligent. B. Most intelligent. C. Intelligentist.
Question number 23.
Lucas runs quickly than Mateo. A. More. B. Most. C. Much.
Question number 24.
Sophia spoke during the presentation. A. Confidently. B. Confident. C. Confidence.
Question number 25.
The cake smelled. A. Delicious. B. Deliciously. C. More deliciously.
Question number 26.
Chloe forgot her notes. She still gave a great speech. A. However. B. Consequently. C. Similarly.
Question number 27.
Lucas was sick, he stayed home from school. A, therefore. B, however. C, nevertheless.
Question number 28.
Mateo studied hard, he earned top marks. A, consequently. B, similarly. C, nevertheless.
Question number 29.
The exam was difficult, everyone passed. A, therefore. B, however. C, consequently.
Question number 30.
The teacher is strict, she is fair. A, similarly. B, nevertheless. C, consequently.
Question number 31.
Chloe likes swimming, biking, and A, to hike. B, hiking. C, hike.
Question number 32.
Lucas enjoys reading, writing, and A, paint. B, painting. C, to paint it.
Question number 33.
Mateo promised to clean, to cook, and the trash. A, take out. B, to taking out. C, taking out.
Question number 34.
Chloe's essay was clear, organized, and A, thoughtful. B, thoughtfully. C, thought.
Question number 35.
The students were not only intelligent but also A, hardworking. B, hardworkingly. C, worked hard.
Question number 36.
Lucas remembered the lights before he left. A, turning off. B, to turn off. C, turn off.
Question number 37.
Mateo forgot his homework to school. A, bringing. B, to bring. C, bring.
Question number 38.
Chloe prefers at home to going out. A, staying. B, stay. C, to stayed.
Question number 39.
Olivia agreed in the fundraiser. A, participate. B, to participate. C, participating.
Question number 40.
Daniel can't stand in long lines. A. Wait. B. Waiting. C. To waited.
Question number 41.
Mateo reminded his sister her umbrella. A. Take. B. Taking. C. To take.
Question number 42.
Mateo reminded his sister her umbrella. A. Take. B. Taking. C. To take.
Question number 43.
Chloe finished her assignment early. She helped others. A. Similarly. B. Consequently. C. Furthermore.
Question number 44.
Lucas was late. The teacher let him in. A. Nevertheless. B. Therefore. C. Consequently.
Question number 45.
Mateo practiced hard. He improved his skills. A. Similarly. B. Consequently. C. Nevertheless.
Question number 46.
The teacher asked who responsible for the mess. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 47.
Either Chloe or her friends going to present first. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was.
Question number 48.
Everyone in the group ready for the trip. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 49.
Chloe, Mateo, and Lucas planning to volunteer. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was.
Question number 50.
Both Miami and Denver beautiful cities to visit. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was.
How did you score? Tell us your score in the comments below. Share this quiz with your friends and family, challenge their English too. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Talk Learner for more fun grammar quizzes every day. Let's learn together and grow together. Thanks a lot for watching. Once again, take care and have a great day or night, wherever you are. Bye bye and keep smiling.